Hello guys, my name is Rashid Omar, and I'll be your instructor throughout this entire HTML course. So before we start, I would like to explain to you what is HTML. So HTML is a language for creating web pages of text, graphics and sounds that can be displayed in a web browser. So an HTML document is interpreted by any of the web browsers to be viewed on a computer screen. So every web browser is capable of interpreting an HTML document which is created using HTML, which is a hypertext markup language. So throughout this entire course, we shall use two software tools. Okay, so the first one is VS Code. So it is the code editor that we shall be using throughout the entire course because it is the most popular one and it is very programmer friendly. Okay, so another software that we will be using is Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this Microsoft Edge will be our web browser, so it will be in position to interpret all our HTML documents. Okay, so if you want to know how to install VS Code, I created a video about VS Code installation, and the link is in the description. So if you want to watch that video, just click the title of the video, okay, below this video. Just click that title, then go down, scroll down. You will see virtuous VS Code, okay, VS Code link, okay. So you will go there, you will go and watch that video. It will guide you on how to install, on how to download, install and install VS Code onto your machine. Okay, mostly Windows machine, because I created that one for Windows machine. But also if you are using Linux, like Parrot OS, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, you can also follow that those guidelines, that videos. Okay, so after downloading VS Code and installing it, we shall need to install two extensions, okay, VS Code extensions, and they are the ones that are going to help us throughout the entire course. Okay, so the first one will be called Live Server. Okay, Live Server, it is there, Live Server. So we are going to need this VS Code extension. So after searching for it here, click on it, then you will see here a button which shows install. Click on it, and Live Server extension will be installed. And after installing it, you will see something like this. You will see two buttons, disable and uninstall. Okay, so after there, search another extension. It is called Prettier. This one will help us format our code, okay, so that our programming journey becomes easy. Okay, so we shall need this extension. Okay, so after installing all those extensions, those two extensions, okay, and getting the web browser, okay, the latest version of Microsoft Edge, so let me pass you through all the topics that we are going to be studying about, okay, throughout the entire course. Okay, so the first one, we shall start with the structure. So we shall see the structure of an HTML document, everything about the HTML documents. Okay, so we shall go into to text. We shall see how to format, how to bold, how to iterate, to make texts italic, everything about texts, okay, in HTML. Then after there, we shall go on to lists. We see what are lists, how to do them, the types of lists, ordered, unordered, all those lists. Okay, then we shall see how to work with links, okay, everything about links. Then we shall go to images. Okay, we shall see how to include images in our web page, in our HTML document. Okay, so after there, we shall go on to tables. We shall see how to create tables in an HTML document. Okay, so everything about tables. Then after there, we shall go on to forms. We see how to work with forms. You know, every almost all almost all websites, they include developing of forms, okay, making of forms where users can type some credentials like emails, passwords, blah blah, some information from the user. They help to get some information from the user, okay, from the visitor of that website. Okay, after there we shall go into and we look into extra makeup, okay, everything about the makeup when we are in HTML, when we are using HTML. So after there we shall go and see how to use flash videos and audio in our HTML documents. Okay, so that's what we shall end on chapter 9. Okay, chapter 9, and after finishing those chapters, you will be an HTML programmer, a professional HTML programmer. Okay, so just subscribe, click the subscribe button so that you get, and the bell icon so that you get alerted to every single video that I upload. Okay, so and make sure you like all the videos, okay, so that we can fight the YouTube algorithm. Help me fight that YouTube algorithm. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.